Hello everyone, welcome to today's new episode. Today we will discuss America's Bioderma Sensibio H2O. First 10 people will get 20% discount if they buy from our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Sensibio H2O is our best-selling cleansing and makeup, removing micellar water that respects the fragility of sensitive skin. Benefits. Sensibio H2O respects skin's hydrolipidic film by removing impurities and makeup, while respecting your skin. Suggested use. Soak cotton pad with Sensibio H2O, cleanse and/or remove makeup from your face and eyes. Repeat until cotton pad is cleaned, then gently pat skin dry. Use morning and evening, every day of the week. All our products have optimal dosage, made with molecules naturally found in skin, and with the purest active ingredients.